Okay, this is going to be a video showing the installation for the EMG Controller software for macOS. Now you can get the most recent version of our EMG software at the HTM Workshop GitHub page. So here I'm showing the latest version that we have, and you want to select the macOS zip, download it. Okay, so once you download that, you can go ahead and open up the folder that was created, the DIY EMG macOS folder here, and what you want to do is you're going to select the Arduino Connect software. You're going to double push or right click on the Arduino Connect, and now it'll give you the option to open this. And this depends on your security settings, but I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't allow non-verified developers to install automatically. So we're going to go ahead and open this time. Okay, so here you can see the Arduino Connect software for macOS. I'm in dark mode right now, so that's what you're seeing. Use this drop-down menu to select the correct device. And once you do that, I recommend starting out in graph mode. So go ahead and select graph mode, make sure you're connected to the Arduino, hit connect. And you'll start seeing some data pop into the graph, and you got to wait a little second for it to auto scale. Okay, so once that's auto scaled, you can start seeing some data here. And now, depending if you set up your EMG controller connected already, you may be able to see some spikes already. So once you verify that everything's working, that the EMG controller is talking to the computer, the next thing you want to try is the key mode, which takes a little bit of an extra step. Key mode takes one extra step on certain versions of macOS. And so what you want to do is hit key mode, USB serial, connect, and then you're going to hit run. You can play around with the default key mode depending on what you want to do. So you hit run, and then as soon as you cause the Arduino Connect to try to enter in a keystroke, what it's going to do is prompt you saying this program needs accessibility access. So in order to grant this program the ability to use the keyboard or the mouse controls, you have to go into Open System, and you have to unlock this. And next you're going to select the Arduino Connect program from the list here, and then you can go ahead and close that back up. So once you've granted Arduino Connect software accessibility controls, you should be able to use it in both key mode and graph mode. Hope you enjoy.